Yeah guys, this evening what am I gonna do? Me have a one soursop. So what me say I gonna do? I gonna make soursop punch. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I go remove the skin and blend my soursop. Guys, just watch the video and watch what I go on in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Soursop punch. Yeah guys, so see me done pick out the seed out of my soursop. You understand what I did? So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend him up and I'm gonna see what I go on. Be a badness in the kitchen guys, soursop punch. Yeah guys, so watch how I go on in the kitchen, I put some vanilla. Nutmeg. And some ground cinnamon. Guys, me put some sugar, I put some milk now. Not too much milk. Guys, the soursop punch I go bad, me not lie if you tell you. Yeah guys, so I go start to blend up soursop now. We're gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, look what I gone over here so. You see that? Pick out the seed, no seed, nothing. Yeah, so I'm gonna just add a little bit more water upon it guys. I don't know about badness though. Soursop punch. Yeah, guys, that one a bad, me not lie if you tell you. Yeah guys, me put a little bit more vanilla, a nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and I put a little bit more milk. So you don't know about badness go guys. Yeah. Soursop punch guys, a bad. Guys, see you in our next video. I'm out guys. Yeah.